This Naval Officers Sword was stored in a shed in Darwin for a number of years, and you can see it's a little worse for wear. The leather needed reforming to make it a little bit more secure, and here I've bound it with string. Now this is the bath that I'm going to use to apply the electrolysis, and you can see here I'm bending the electrodes, and they're iron. They're made from iron, or black steel actually, black mild steel. And here's the sword. You can see the condition it's in, and it's laid in the bath, and it's connected to the electrical supply. It's putting the electrodes in place. That's the bus bar that fits on the top, and the sword will be suspended from that using iron wire. You can see the extent of the rust, but underneath all of that rust there is still a vestige of the fine etching. And here I'm pouring in the electrolyte over the sword, and very shortly we'll apply a little bit of electricity, and that'll provide the energy to convert the rust. The advantage of this process is that it minimizes any damage to the metal itself. The only other way of cleaning rust off is to scrub it off, and if you scrub it off, the etching would go as well. Now that's how it comes out of the bath. It's a bit black, but that blackness is easily removed with metal polish. You can see what is left of the fine etching. The sword, incidentally, is around about 1900 when it was issued. A little bit of the detail, and there's the sword. The brass is being cleaned up and the dents removed. You can still see a lot of the electroplating there. It will have been gold electroplated, and those knobbly bits on there are actually stingray. That's the proof. Quite an interesting job to have done. I hope you found that interesting.